The response amplifier from Bellman Symfon. It helps you with clearly hearing the conversation around you. Let's look inside the box. Here is the user manual, the response amplifier, and a AAA battery. To get started, install the battery. Slide the battery lock on the back of the unit to the right. Then pull down the battery compartment. Insert the AAA battery following the markings. Push the battery cover up. Then slide the battery lock back to the left. The response amplifier comes with a pair of headphones or earbuds. Connect your headphones or earbuds to the headphone port. To turn on the response amplifier, slide the on-off switch to the on position. Here is the volume bar that lets you know which way increases the volume and which way decreases the volume. To increase the volume, rotate the volume dial to the left. To decrease the volume, rotate the volume dial to the right. Now the response amplifier is ready to use. That's how easy it is to set up. Here are some additional features. The response amplifier can switch between the speech and TV listening mode. The default setting is M, which means you are listening to the conversation around you through the two internal microphones on the response. The TV means you can listen to the television on response through the accessory, the TV cable kit. The TV cable kit consists of an external microphone, a headphone adapter, and a headphone jack. Please note, the TV cable kit is an optional accessory that may or may not be included depending on the package you have. Here is how it works. To listen to the television, connect the headphones or earbuds to the headphone adapter on the TV cable kit. Plug the TV cable kit's headphone jack into the response's headphone port. Place the external microphone next to the television. Then slide the switch to the TV setting. Now you can listen to the audio from the TV, and that is the response amplifier.